boys and girls, welcome to Crafts and More. You will be getting a goodie bag that's going to look like this. And inside your goodie bag, you will have a Ziploc bag that has tissue paper streamers and 15 yellow circles. This is what you will make with this. Now, what we have done is folded. You'll get a blue piece of construction paper. And before you fold it, you will need to glue the black half a piece of construction paper over the bottom of half of the blue. Glue that first. Then take these are your gold coins, your little yellow circles, they're your coins, and glue them to the top of your blue. But remember, you're going to tape this. You're going to take Scotch tape and tape this like that. Tape the back part of this. See how we've done that? You see your Scotch tape on the back of it. So you don't need to go all the way to the end of the blue with your gold coins. Keep them up toward the sides and the front, okay? And then, after you get that glued on, then glue your handle on. And then, at the end, you have 4 strips of your colored tissue paper to make your rainbow. So this is your pot of gold windsock for St. Patrick's Day. Then your other craft will be to make a bunny rabbit out of this cup. Now, you will have a bag that has your ears in it. You will have the white and then the insides. You'll have Google eyes. You'll have a pink nose. You'll have whiskers. And then you will have a little tail. All right, after you get that glued on, your snack is you're going to get some M&Ms. And you're going to get some bunnies in this little package. And you'll get some marshmallows. And you will get, besides your M&Ms, you will have some colored chips. And you will mix all of that in there and you will have a bunny treat. And that bunny treat is going to be your snack that you can eat yourself once you get it mixed together. So that's what you're going to put your snack in. So you have 2 things in your little cup. You have your bunny, and then when you eat all your treats, then it'll still be your craft. Okay? Then the last thing we're going to do for our stem, we have our first bowl is vinegar, and I will give you some vinegar. And then I want you to get a bowl of water and put your peeps, you'll get these little chick peeps, in the vinegar. And in the water. You can see it's floating around in the water. All right, now I want you to time it, come back and check it in about 30 minutes and see if any of the color has come off of your peep. See if it's come off in the water. You can see the reflection of this. It looks blue. And you can see, but the blue is coming from that. And then I want you to look and see if you lose any color from the vinegar. We'll see how much color there is to those peeps. I know everybody likes peeps, and it's a shame to ruin them in vinegar. But one of our kids stirred, you get another peep. He's going to be driving a little car, so you'll have one to eat. I hope you all have a great day and enjoy this Crafts and More. Thanks.